Exercise daily. As we all know, women are always conscious of their health issues. Women have the right to enjoy the best possible mental and physical fitness. The exercise of this right is critical to their survival and well-being, as well as their capacity to engage in both public and private events. Women always look fit if they are living a happy and healthy life. The historical, political, and economic background, as well as nature, influence emotional, social, and physical well-being. It is clear that health and well-being are inaccessible to most women. In this article, we acknowledge the importance of women's health specialists who take care of their health. Because every female has the right to stay fit and glow for a long time. Women's health specialist and importance of women's health. If you are a woman who wishes to enjoy good health and happiness for a long time, you can get well-woman checkups on a regular basis. Potential medical conditions that need to be treated the right way may also be detected during these kinds of tests. Women should have health examinations on a routine basis, and this is where women's health specialists play a vital role. It is also important for females to be aware of any unusual symptoms. Women should also be aware of several main signs, including irregular vaginal discharge, breast lumps that may often be detected by a Phoenix cosmetic surgeon, bleeding that happens during menstrual stages, breast form shifts, painful sexual activity, or vaginal scratching. If you feel down or uncomfortable with such things, so don't neglect them and go for a medical treatment as soon as possible. Routine checkup is necessary for women because if they notice anything unusual, so they can get rid of the problem thoroughly. Wellness tests will also detect potential health issues before they become apparent. There are no reasons for not doing any annual health test if you intend to keep on top of your well-being at all times. In any woman's life, female health should be a priority. As a result, females need to appreciate the benefits of having women test regularly. In certain instances, these tests can also save the lives of women. A health test will provide you with the details you need to take steps if you try to find out if you have some kind of medical problem. Cervical cancer scans are an essential aspect of these health examinations. Why should every woman visit women's health specialists? Women's health professionals are being sought out by an increasing number of women today. Specialists focus on women's health in order to inspire and improve their overall health issues. Women should visit health specialists on a daily basis because of aforementioned problems they face every time. Women's health professionals have specialized resources and procedures that provide you the best techniques and knowledge about your medical care. You will find a wealth of patient knowledge and professional tips from physicians and nurses who treated women for many years about these problems. Here are a few reasons why every woman should visit women's health specialist. Pregnancy issues. Physical activity is undeniably beneficial as part of a healthy lifestyle. However, it is often confusing for pregnant women to find the right approach to physical activity, which leads some to abandon exercise altogether to avoid possible risks. Your body goes through a lot of changes during pregnancy. For example, up to 25% more blood is pumped through the veins and the body's center of gravity also shifts. Therefore, exercise feels very different during pregnancy, and the level of training that you can do can change from one day to the next. The sporting activities should therefore be adapted accordingly. Ask about individual training programs to make sure you are following the right routine and avoiding any risk of injury, especially if you are new to it. It is important to know your limits, learn how to modify exercises and how to leave enough space for the baby during training sessions. Menstrual problems. At first, the mood is irritable, then the cramps begin in the lower abdomen. These are just two of the many symptoms that women before and at the beginning of their menstrual period. Many women experience menstrual cramps before and at the beginning of their menstrual period. The symptoms are varied and individually different. Period pain can accompany the onset of menstruation. Menstrual cramps are very common, and almost every woman has experienced depression and swollen breasts before her period, as well as pulling in the lower abdomen when the monthly bleeding starts. Sometimes the symptoms are so severe that women are restricted in coping with everyday life. That's why you have to visit a women's health specialist to get rid of these pains. Depression. Depression is so common among women. It is a serious mental illness that causes helplessness, sadness, hopelessness, and a sense of worthlessness. It has many symptoms like trouble sleeping, a lack of appetite, and so on. Women need a specialist like a psychologist or neurosurgeon for better treatment. They need counseling to make their mind fresh, and it also enhances their confidence that they can do anything without any hesitation. Breast examinations. Many women believe that doing so is beneficial to their welfare. A breast self-exam is a self-examination that monitors or checks out the issues in women's breast tissues at home. Experts, on the other hand, Disagree about the self-examination of breast values in detecting saving lives in breast cancer. Consult a doctor to see if breast self-examinations are correct for you. Vaginal infections. Any vaginal disease causes no signs at all. There are only a few symptoms of this disease, which is common, like a variation in the volume of vaginal discharge, itching in the genital region, an improvement in your vaginal discharge's color, discomfort after a sexual encounter, spotting or menstrual bleeding, and during urination, you can experience discomfort or a burning sensation. That's why women should always try to go for a routine checkup. Because if there are no symptoms of this disease, it can hit you so hard. Doctors gave you the best advice regarding the issues we discuss over here and treated you with the best treatment every woman wants. When to visit women's health specialists. You can turn to your gynecologist if you have problems with your sex or the lower abdomen, if you have problems with the menstrual cycle, for the treatment and prevention of illness, and if it comes to contraception or pregnancy. For women's health treatment, gynecologists are the best. Sexually active young women should be examined regularly by the gynecologist. This is mainly used to prevent cervical cancer. Breast cancer can also be detected early in this way. You can find out how such an investigation works in this article. In addition to the gynecology checkup, we recommend the HPV vaccination for young women. This ideally takes place before you have had sexual contact, but you can also do it afterward. You can have it carried out by pediatricians, family doctors, or gynecologists. Women should visit specialists at least once a month for routine checkups. Gynecologists have more knowledge about women's bodies, so you have to visit them. They advise you with the best treatment. Whether you are feeling down or feeling any problems regarding your vaginal infections, pregnancy, and other female problems, visit a gynecologist frequently. What should women discuss with women health specialists? Women should discuss comfort and convenience with doctors because females want to be comfortable all time long. You need to give complete knowledge about your problems, so doctors should search on it. After the research, specialists ask you to visit them. They gave you the best medicines and advice. By this, your mind and body can be more relaxed at a time. Additionally, women should discuss the sexual health benefits, pregnancy issues, vaginal infections, breast cancer, and menstrual problems with specialists. It is more important that we empower women to become active themselves. With the knowledge of gender medicine, they can tell the next time they visit the doctor if something is the right as a stranger. For example, if women receive medication that appears to be too high a dose, they can ask again. It's inconvenient but better than side effects. Another very important step in prevention is not just looking at yourself from the outside instead of thinking, am I beautiful? Am I successful? Am I well inside? When women look at nature and their bodies, they will recognize what would actually be healthy. The seasons and all vessels in our bodies are cyclical. It's always about tension and relaxation, bloom and fade. A relaxed woman is always confident and shines like a star. So visiting a health specialist for your good health is better than anything you ask for. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.